This is my new tiny hand-free camera. So this is new from Insta360. It's what we call Insta360 Ultra. It's a creator combo. So this is perfect for vlogging, especially if you travel alone. So this camera is a latest model ng Insta360. So this is what I'm filming lately in my TikTok and my YouTube, and sometimes in my Instagram Reels. So muna akong ginagamit na camera. So it's very tiny. I'll show you. Look how tiny. So you just have to press here para ma-release ang camera. So this is the camera. So pwede din siya i-mount sa iyong cup if you're outside or biking, nag-run mo. So i-mount mo sa cup para mag-film ka. Or you use the magnetic na necklace that's provided in the creator combo. So dili mo siya i-butang sa magnet na necklace. And at the same time, kani siya na pad, it's a rechargeable. Dili siya nag-charge. And ano na siya, guys. Dili mo makita ang camera. So, pwede din mo tanggalin ang camera habang nag-film ka, and dili mo makita ang screen. So, very nice. Very handy, very light. And masinasan mo siya dalawang, pwede gid siya. So, what's inside the creator combo? So, I show you what's inside, okay? In the creator combo, you will get the 3-in-1 tripod. Nice na siya tripod. It's from Insta360 also. So, dili mo i-mount ang iyang camera, and pwede mo siya ma-pull up. At the same time, pwede mo siya magamit na selfie stick. Kasama to sa creator combo. Next, we have the cup clip. So, ito ang nilalagay mo sa cup. I-clip mo sa cup. And you have to put the camera here. Clip mo sa cup. Then, maka-film ka na. Nice, no? And next, we have the necklace. This one, the necklace. So, just put it inside your blouse, t-shirt here. And you can clip na. And you can do your filming na. So, na siya charger and many more accessories. And also this one, the pivot stand. So, kung naka sa coffee shop, pwede mo siya i-mount si asa. Pwede sa wall, pwede sa glass. And this one, the camera itself, pwede mo siya i-mount sa metal, any metal, kay it's magnetic. So, I love this camera. It's my new BFF for now. So, I don't use my phone na kay sometimes pangit iyang kuha. So, this is the new Insta360 Ultra, the latest model of action camera from Insta360 Ultra. If you want this one, you can buy in my affiliate link, in my Shopee, in my TikTok, or in any of my affiliate links, okay? Just click in my link and order, okay? It's very nice. Very tiny, very lightweight. So, it's a must for content creator, or if you want to travel alone, na wala tikuha sa imuha. So, this is a must for every traveler.